Hey y'all, this is your girl Tashima. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my nails because baby, these are way overdue and they are done. Okay, so I'm going to be taking my nail drill and I'm going to file down this polygel set that I have on now because some of them are missing, as you could see, and I'm going to be reapplying polygel. So I need to remove the bulk of these nails. Honestly, I went ahead and just filed them all the way completely off. I was just going to file them down and just apply polygel over them. But in the end, I just decided to just go ahead and file them all the way off and start brand new because it was well needed. So my nails grew out quite a lot. So I do like to wear my nails short because of the job I do. It's easier to type. So I'm going to be reapplying polygel, but I'm going to basically make them the same length as my nails because since my nails have grown out so much, this is the length I like them at. So we're gonna go with that because it looks natural and I like it. So I ordered this drill on Amazon, and this drill bit is a fine drill bit, and I will have that listed in the description box below. Also, we'll have this video time-stamped for those that get a little impatient. But yeah, so I'm going to take my nail drill and just file off this old set and get ready to apply a brand new set. Y'all, your girl really don't be having that much to say, so what I'm going to do is just play some music and let you guys enjoy this nice little video. I will have the materials listed down in the description box just in case you want to try this on your own, and I'll also list the steps in the description box. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for joining the family. I'm so glad you're here. I'm so glad you joined. So if you like this kind of content, go ahead and like this video, leave a comment, and share this video with your friends so maybe they'll subscribe too.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Choco bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that they're both like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need to go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when them kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 make a keep body bong bong bong. Your body kakara, make a bong bong bong. On a make it. Kilo fait on m'a tête chocolat. Fine fine oh baguette. Watch your love for like it. Why not more than your body chocolate. But she ready yeah imade. Tobalo sile kilo fait. Why now my lady? Tell me what's in your body. I'm a damn easy baby. How you want gon' give me control? Even want to get already. I'ma make up my eye. I'ma need your candle. I go my eye. I'ma need your candle. Do maybe. I don't money in there. Do maybe don't go carry belly. Do maybe. Like one of me see oh yeah. Come see oh yeah, baby. Make a bomb, make a bomb, 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 make a bomb, make a keep a deep bomb, bomb, bomb. Your body chakara, make a bomb, bomb, bomb. On a make it chakara, bomb, 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 chakara. Fine girl, make it over there, do fine boy like this so. If I yes you want it, I go vex. Okini nafia, okini baby, okini let me, plenty money. Okini nafia, okini baby, okini let me, plenty money. Toke makewa, weya motola, Messi agbe oya, palangba money ijoya, shade ijoya, take a wole patako, I'm a sexy mama, follow me come on ijoya.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, that I try to need you. But I need some last time. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Say not me the mess of my mind, and not me the make you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you go by. Yeah, you could leave. I'm stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Get me what needs to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby, day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Hey, baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. After the morning, my want to come from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me what you need. Give me what you need. Give me what you. Give me all you need. Give me what you need. Give me what. Make I give you all.
party, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not babe. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.